In this video, I'm going to show you how to code a Nexus kit without needing to connect it to the vehicle using the on-the-go system. The on-the-go accessory allows you to pre-configure the Nexus kit's control unit in advance. This way, the workshop receives it already configured for the vehicle it's being installed in. What do we gain from this? The workshop professional will be able to carry out a faster, simpler installation without needing technical knowledge or worrying about coverage issues. We simply connect it to the control unit. We power it using a USB-C cable. This can be done with a power bank or directly from a power outlet. We see that the green LED lights up. This confirms that it is properly powered. We load the software using our application. We select the vehicle model and bring the phone close to the control unit. It's already programmed, and in this simple way, the control unit is ready to be handed over to the technician who will install it. Everything is now installed, and since we have already programmed the control unit with our on-the-go system, we just need to connect it. We attach the control unit to the vehicle. Once it is connected to the installation, we proceed to check it. And if you look at our tester, everything is working perfectly.